Here's a quick tip. If you're looking to test out your internet speeds, you're probably used to this site right here. At least since I've started using the internet years ago, I've always used speedtest.net. And a quick tip for you to catch you up to date, the latest thing to do is just to Google Speedtest, and Google will do it for you. You might even have this app on your phone. I would say go ahead and delete it. Just Google Speedtest. It works exactly the same. Let's see what our internet speed is here. And just for fun, let's see who has the fastest internet. Mine is 37.2 megabytes per second download. Your internet connection is fast. Your internet connection should be able to handle multiple devices streaming HD videos at the same time. Learn more. Okay, well, that's enough information for me. Alright, that's how it works. Super simple, super quick tip. Peace.